Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate how to list a PDF for sale on Gumroad. Whether you're an author, artist, or teacher, Gumroad provides a fantastic way to distribute digital goods like PDFs. Let's explore the straightforward process of getting your document ready for buyers. Begin by visiting the Gumroad site. Locate the Login button, usually situated in the upper right corner, and click it. If you have an account, enter your details. Otherwise, registering is very simple. For this guide, we'll proceed with an existing account. Select the Google option to sign in with your Google profile, then pick your account from the list to access the platform. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Products tab where your digital inventory is managed. Click Products followed by New Product to start your listing. Enter a catchy, descriptive title for your PDF that highlights its worth. Next, choose your preferred currency and determine a price. It's wise to pick a currency your audience uses and research similar items to ensure your pricing is competitive. After setting the price, hit Next, Customize. Now, make your offer attractive by writing a clear description. Explain what makes your PDF unique and how it helps the buyer. Once finished, add a compelling cover image or video by clicking Upload Images or Videos and selecting files from your computer. This visual is vital for attracting customers. Remember to click Save and Continue to store your progress. Now, upload the actual PDF. Click the Upload icon, select Computer Files, and choose your document. With the file uploaded, you're almost there. The final move is to make it live by clicking Publish and Continue. Your PDF is now officially for sale. All you need to do is share the product link with your followers. Following these steps makes selling on Gumroad easy. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching and good luck with your sales.